Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make money with Beehiiv. So let's get started. Beehiiv has recently gained significant popularity among content creators and is now a serious competitor to other platforms like Substack and ConvertKit. This surge in popularity is largely due to Beehiiv's unique monetization features that you won't want to miss if you're looking to increase your earnings from your mailing list. You can sign up for free to Beehiiv using the link provided in the description below. One way to make money with Beehiiv is by displaying ads in your newsletter. Essentially, you run ads for other companies or creators who pay you to feature their ads in your content. This allows them to get their brand in front of your subscribers. Many creators used to manage this process manually using custom workflows, checkout links, or tools like Airtable, which required a lot of back and forth with advertisers. Beehiiv simplifies this by integrating the entire ecosystem within the platform. You can manage your advertisements, use a built-in calendar, accept or decline opportunities, and easily track data, making payment collection and organization much smoother. If you're open to running ads, this is definitely something worth considering. Another way to monetize with Beehiiv is through subscriptions, where you can place some of your newsletters or articles behind a paywall similar to a paid Substack model. Subscriptions offer a predictable income stream, but they're most effective when you have a substantial subscriber base, ideally at least 10,000 free subscribers. You can also earn money through Beehiiv's partner program by becoming an affiliate and making money when someone joins the platform through your referral link. Beehiiv's affiliate program offers a 50% revenue share for the first 12 months. For example, if someone subscribes to the $99/month scale plan through your link, you'll earn half of that for the next year. However, they must sign up within 30 days of clicking your link. Another method you can try is go to the Monetization tab, click on Partner Program, and fill out the required information. You'll receive your link via email, which you can then share with your audience. Beehiiv Boost is another feature that allows you to earn money by promoting other people's newsletters. After linking your Stripe account for payouts, you can apply to promote newsletters listed under the Boost section. The publisher of the newsletter you choose to promote will receive a notification and can accept your request. If accepted, when someone subscribes to your newsletter, they'll see a small pop-up asking if they'd also like to subscribe to the newsletter you're promoting. If they do, you earn money, typically around $2 per active subscriber, though this amount can vary depending on the niche. Finally, one of the most effective ways to earn money on Beehiiv or any email marketing platform is by setting up an automated email sequence when people join your list. For instance, if you're helping men lose belly fat, your lead magnet should focus on addressing this issue. When someone first signs up, create an automated sequence that offers valuable insights on overcoming the problem. At the end of each email, you can direct them to paid coaching sessions with you or sell your own digital products, such as an online course. This method is highly effective for generating income from your email list on autopilot. Now that you know how to make money with Beehiiv, you're ready to start implementing these strategies. You can sign up for free to Beehiiv using the link provided in the description below.